Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, the Sidekicks got very excited, bought something on Facebook Marketplace and demands that I go round and see it. What's it going to be this time? Cue the intro. Well, I've had a phone call this morning inviting me over to see the Sidekick because he's said to me he's bought his camper and he wants me to go over so he can show it off. I hope it is full of rust and nowhere near as good as mine, because mine obviously is the best in the world. But anyway, let's go and check out what Marketplace, Facebook thing, wherever he's bought this one from. Let's go and check out what piece of rubbish he's bought this time.
Cause you called last night. I'm not that girl. I don't wanna dress up for you and be a toy. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm bored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride. No one does it better. Put your feelings aside, throw yourself out.
Now, that is impressive and I'm not jealous in any way. Okay, I'm really jealous and I want it. Well, dude, I mean, you've pulled this out of the bag, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, how? And it's, you know, I mean, like, here's the life pack, right? That's where that goes. That's where you're gonna sit if you're having to do CPR, so you can go from the head. But, dude, come on.
What do you reckon? It's awesome, isn't it?
This is the best buy you've ever bought.
So this is another one of my Facebook Marketplace buys that I was getting ripped for. But look at it. Told you I'd win some and I lose some on there. This is absolutely brilliant. It's got everything on it. It's already a camper. It's got a bed in it.
Well,
It's got a heater in it.
It's got a stretcher in it.
You can try and sleep on that.
Yeah, it's out. I can't even deny it. Heater, you've got your seat, you've got your fold-up chair, you've got your ramp on the back for the bike. I mean, you've also got in here everything you need if you're going to take any kind of drugs, you can put them in there. I mean, this is fully kitted.
Lights, heater, everything.
Come on, what's wrong with it? And don't say there's nothing wrong with it. There's no way in a million years that you've got this and there's not something wrong though.
There's a couple of little issues. It runs though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it runs.
As in, it definitely runs. There's no.
Definitely runs.
Yeah.
It's got no MOT.
Right.
But I was sold it as saying that the air suspension on the back doesn't work. It won't go up. It's knackered.
Right.
So a recovery truck brought it back here.
Yeah.
This was the other day, and then managed to blow up the suspension yesterday with an air compressor. It's pumped up and it stayed up. So for now,
You can get it in for an MOT.
you get it in for an MOT.
Oh, dude, I'm just jealous. I'm not going to lie, completely jealous. So you're going to obviously rename all of this stuff, or you're going to keep it, or as authentic as possible.
Right. For now,
Yeah.
the plan is take this out, obviously, because it's not wide enough to sleep on.
So stretchers go in a go.
Just going. We're going to have a bed in here.
Yeah.
Going to obviously clean it all out.
Yeah.
Get rid of this thing,
Yeah.
and then literally put the camping kit in it. We can put the bike in it. We can go away.
Yeah, but you need to do mine first.
Well, yeah, we can do both.
That's all right then. That's all right then. So long as you don't forget.
And then I have a long-term plan as well. So long-term,
You're going to give it to me.
no, definitely not. All of this cabinetry is going to go. I'm going to have a wood effect, old rustic wood panelling on it and everything.
Right.
A raised bed at the back that lifts out the way so the bikes can still come in. Kitchen area sort of here. Bench seating here. And I might even put in a little shower cubicle with a toilet in.
Really?
That's the plan. Whether I get it in or not at the minute, I don't know, but I'd like to do that as well.
Do you know what I'm not going to do? I'm not going to admit that this is better than mine. I'm not going to admit it, and I'm just going to leave it there because I don't want to say it. But dude, I want it. I love it.
Facebook Marketplace.
I want one.
I've got one. I've secretly been looking for an ex-ambulance or
You wanted to
patient
beat
transfer
me,
one.
didn't you?
I just knew it came with everything.
You wanted to beat me, hook, line, and sinker. You can't tell me you've not gone out of your way to get something like this because I am proper jealous, dude. Proper jealous.
Literally months I've been looking for one of these, and this actually came up 10 mile away. And the bloke advertised it, and I hounded him to go and look at it. And he put the advert on. He was away. Then he had a bit of an accident while he was away. He was ill. I couldn't see it then for another week, and I was literally messaging him, hounded him till he got to the point where he just said, "I'm going back in. Come and have a look at it."
Dude, what a buy! What a buy!
The blue lights. It's still got blue lights.
Yeah, I know.
It's got everything. Legally, I've got to take those off. They can't stay on.
Well, I've got the licence, and so I could always ride around going, me mum. No, I couldn't. I can't really. But do you know what? I'm excited. What we're going to have to do, though, is get this done, get mine done, and get the first adventure, and then take off ambulance and just put almost as good as helmet head. Or Sidekick 10 out of 10, and then mine can have helmet heads 11 out of 10.
I would like to give this van a name. I think it deserves a name. I've never named any of my vehicles, but I think this deserves a name. So if anybody's got any ideas, that'd be good. I am thinking of calling it Lance. And just
Lance a lot.
Lance, just taking the ambu bit off the front and just leaving Lance on it. I might call it Lance, I don't know.
So the thing of it is, this is an ambulance. This is what I used to do for a living. So what we've got to do is obviously play doctors and nurses. So Darren, stretcher, you can lie down on the stretcher. I can do some weird funky stuff, and we'll make it like an epic scene. Have you got any tomato sauce? Because we can spray that all over the walls.
Not a flipping chance, Alan. No way am I going on that stretcher so you can do things to me. Absolutely not. Not happening.
Is that definite no?
It's definite no.
Are you sure?
I am 100% sure.
Right. Doctor, get me something. I don't know. Get me a bishop's finger.
Here you go, sir. Spray pan?
Is that being used?
No. Not that I know of.
You know you're going to use that when you go camping, aren't you? You're going to keep it for that emergency.
Yeah. And, if I have a few too many beers.
Can I? Yeah, but they double up once we get drunk as party hats. See? Perfect. Well, there you go. And there is no way in a million years I'm going to admit that his ambulance, now stroke ambulance camper, is going to be better than my 11 out of 10 helmet head minibus stroke camper stroke utility vehicle stroke everything possible, because it is the best in the entire world. I'm not going to admit that his is cooler, better, and virtually a camper if you don't mind sleeping on a stretcher. But do you know what? It's going to be interesting to see what he does with that, what we do with mine, and where we're going to end up on our first adventure. I'm proper excited. Now all I've got to do is make sure that I can get him to not work on that and come and work on mine, so we can get mine sorted, so we can get this done. And I just want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. Without their support, this channel couldn't keep the videos coming in the way that it does. It means the absolute world to me, so thank you so much. They get to see the videos first. It's really nice to see their comments pop up first, and that bit of banter that we have on Patreon, and they get their names in the credits. But just thank you for the support, I really appreciate it. And then if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet and you're watching the videos, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the like button and the notification button so you don't miss out on another episode. Then of course, we live for 3 things on this channel, 3 most important words, the gospel of life. And that's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I'll see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.